Hello everyone, welcome back to Basics of Mechanical Engineering 3, Week 5 answers in NPTEL course. Let us see the question number 1. Heat always flows from cold body to hot body. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. Let us see the explanation. Heat does not naturally flow from a cold body to a hot body. According to the second law of thermodynamics, heat transfer occurs spontaneously from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature. This is the fundamental principle governing how heat moves in physical systems. So the correct answer is option B false. Question number 2. The net flow of heat is always in the direction of dash. Option A increase in temperature, option B decrease in temperature, option C constant temperature, option D none of this. The correct answer is option B decrease in temperature. Let us see the explanation. Heat always flows from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature until thermal equilibrium is reached, meaning the temperature equalized. That means temperature is decreased. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 3. Heat conduction occurs primarily due to option A increase in temperature, option B migration and collision of vibrating molecules in fixed positions, option C conversion of thermal energy to mechanical work, option D emission of electromagnetic waves. The correct answer is option B migration and collision of vibrating molecules in fixed position. Let us see the explanation. In conduction, heat transfer occurs when molecules in a substance vibrate and collide with each other, transferring energy from one molecule to the next without the molecules themselves moving from their positions. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 4. Which law governs heat transfer due to conduction? Option A Newton's law of cooling, option B Stephen Boltzmann law, option C Fourier's law, option D Boyle's law. The correct answer is option C Fourier's law. Let us see the explanation. Fourier's law states that the rate of heat transfer through a material is directly proportional to the temperature gradient and the area perpendicular to the heat flow. So heat transfer Q equal to HA dt by dx. The correct answer is option C Fourier's law. Question number 5. Natural convection is fundamentally driven by option A external forces like fans or pumps, option B differences in fluid density, option C pressure applied externally, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B differences in fluid density. Let us see the explanation. In natural convection, a fluid moves due to temperature differences causing density variations within the fluid, leading to buoyancy where warmer, less dense fluid rises and cooler, denser fluid sinks, creating a natural circulation pattern. So the correct answer is option B differences in fluid density. Question number 6. In forced convection, the heat transfer rate increases with option A decrease in fluid velocity, option B increase in fluid velocity, option C constant fluid velocity, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B increase in fluid velocity. Let us see the explanation. Forced convection relies on the movement of a fluid to transfer heat, and a higher velocity means more fluid particles come into contact with the heat source per unit time, leading to faster heat transfer. So the correct answer is option B, increase in fluid velocity. Question number 7. Thermal radiation can travel through option A only solid medium, option B only fluid medium, option C only vacuum, option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. Let us see the explanation. Unlike conduction and convection, which require a medium to transfer heat, radiation travels through space as electromagnetic waves and does not need a medium to propagate. This is why the sun's heat reaches Earth through the vacuum of space, while solids, liquids, and gases can absorb and emit radiation. They are not necessary for its propagation. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 8. A black body dash all the incident radiant energy. Option A reflects, option B transmits, option C absorbs, option D emits. The correct answer is option C, absorbs. Let us see the explanation. A black body is an ideal object that completely absorbs any radiation falling on it, regardless of the wavelength or frequency. So the correct answer is option C, absorbs. Question number, you can see this image. This is the black body. It absorbs all incident radiation, and emitted radiation is only function of temperature. So the correct answer is option C, absorbs. Question number 9. For a perfect black body, option A absorbivity 0, emissivity 0, option B absorbivity 1, emissivity 0, option C absorbivity 0, emissivity 1, option D absorbivity 1, emissivity 1. The correct answer is option D, absorbivity 1, emissivity 1. Let us see the explanation. For a perfect black body, the absorbivity is 1 and emissivity is also 1. A black body absorbs all incident electromagnetic radiation and emits radiation at the maximum possible rate for its temperature. So the correct answer is option D, absorbivity 1, emissivity 1. Question number 10. The heat transfer coefficient in forced convection compared to natural convection is option A much lower, option B about the same, option C much higher, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C, much higher. Let us see the explanation. Forced convection involves actively moving a fluid over a surface, which significantly increases the rate of heat transfer compared to natural convection, where the fluid movement is solely driven by density differences. So the correct answer is option C, much higher. In the next video lecture, we will discussing about week 6 solutions of basics of mechanical engineering 3 in NPTEL course. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.